I find this course mind-opening. I came with no expectation, and Sudarshana Kriya is something I have heard the name so many times, and I got to learn it. Um, and Mahesh is very good teacher, so learning and keeping up with the next process of like keeping it continuously doing it. We have a plan, so I'm looking forward for it.
Um, I joined the course because there was something missing. I was trying to do everything but there was something still missing, and I think that was the inner peace. So I joined it just to have the experience of it. It was wonderful experience. I know myself better than I was knowing before. Um, it has given me kind of hint that self-love and your breath is the main thing. So I love it, and I would try to recommend it to as many as people I can.
Yeah, last 3 days have been wonderful. Learned a lot, lots of techniques. Now I feel like I am in an ocean and I only know a drop and I have lots to do and lots to implement. But I know that there are tools and techniques available to deal with our challenges, the normal challenges we experience in our lives, and reduce our sufferings. Um, yes, definitely I will be considering other courses as well in the next few months. So thank you, Maheshi, for sharing your wisdom and sharing everything.
To Mahesh and all of you guys to share everything. And this course doesn't teach only how the skybreath techniques. It gives you to open your mind. And who wants to take it? Just don't think second moment. Just get the skybreath course with the Art of Living. Thank you.
That I didn't really have much expectations like Renuka, but I think the biggest thing for me was not just like the sky breathing technique. I think it's really interesting, and I'm looking forward to trying it. But I think meeting you guys was really an enriching experience. I think all of us are coming from a place of like just trying to bring more peace and calmness, like we said at the beginning, into our life. And I see that although the things some of you guys say about yourself that you don't like, I just see